Hello everyone. So today in our Study in Malaysia Education Fair, we have a invited guest from APU University. So firstly about herself, she is an Indian. You are from
I'm from India itself.
itself, and right now you are working for Malaysia APU University.
Yes,
And how is
yes.
it possible? Because I have heard that Malaysia don't provide working visa, only student visa, right?
No, the thing is that recently the government of Malaysia came up with a graduate pass,
Graduate
like a
pass.
visa extension after you finish your course.
Okay.
So that recently got introduced, and luckily India is of course a part of those nationalities who can apply for this. So yeah, once the student finish their course, they can apply for this visa extension, start with their internships or look for jobs or start with their new course or explore whatever they want. So yeah.
So that's a great thing, right?
Yes. Very
And
exciting.
how is your life in Malaysia right now after completing your course and right now about your job?
Yeah. So, okay, first of all, I mean, of course, like, you are when you're your studies and everything, it's mostly the classes and, being in an international university where 130 nationalities study with you, that exposure you get is amazing. So, in my class, there were 40 students, each of them were from different nationalities. So, our courses, everything we used to, like, whatever was taught through seminars and all, they were like course basis. I mean, case study basis. So, learning from each nationality from different perspective, so that was a really great experience which I had here in APU. And when I of course started working here in my own university, and actually I'm a graduate pass holder myself, so when I got this opportunity and I started working with APU and being a part of the international affairs and working with the international people from around the world, that has been a great experience for me as well to learn about each country, how the process works and everything. So that has been a very knowledgeable part and very good experience.
Okay, and tell us about the scholarship part and also the placement support after their graduation.
Okay, sure. So, of course, in Malaysia, we have, of course, great opportunities coming for many international students and all.
And tell us about the scholarship and all the things that the students can experience there.
Okay, sure. So, when it comes to scholarship, the best part is that APU doesn't conduct any interview, any exams or any test or something. Scholarships are based on how the student has performed academically. So, for our bachelors, we see the 10th and the 12th results. And for our master courses, we mainly see the academic performance done in the bachelors. That's how a team evaluate and they check the eligibility for the scholarship and for the course as well. But our scholarship starts from 10% as minimum, and max goes is up to 30 to 40%. So yeah.
And about the placement support, is your university providing the placement support for the students?
Yes, we do provide placement support as well. So first of all, we have an internal career center team in our university that helps with the application, reach out to the network of companies we have in our network and all, and help with the job opportunities for the students. Apart from that, every year our university holds a career fair where many companies within Malaysia and even Singapore, they come and they directly interact with the students as well. So that gives them, the student gives them have this opportunity to directly interact with the company representatives, apply for jobs, apply for internships, and of course if you fit in the criteria, they are called for the interviews.
Okay.
So that's there.
And one last question, do you have any advice for the students or their parents if they are seeking for the higher education in Malaysia, any advice or any points that you want to add?
Sure. So one thing is of course that in my personal experience, the one thing which I saw is that the affordability. Malaysia is a very affordable country. The cuisine options for Indian students are also a lot over there. And when it comes to education, you can get an amazing exposure and all which you can have it in Malaysia. And Malaysia is of course very near to India as well. So it's very easy to reach, very easy to come. So there is no issues in that. So I think that's a few of the things which I would like to add. So that's it.
Anyways, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.